This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 64 of building the Ford GT. We are going to be continuing with the wheel. I'm not sure which wheel. It might be this one, it might be that one over there, but it's one of the rear wheels. We're going to be continuing doing that from this and the next episode. After, of course, we have a look at the passion for speed, looking at Matech. Don't know who that is, but there we go. It's another GT. Different colours. I'm growing. I didn't like the teal as the one we're building, but it's growing on me. I must admit, I'm quite liking the look of it now. But yeah, there we go. So this is what we've got. It's the right rear wheel. We've got the interior piece, the other part of the interior sort of hub. We're putting that together and then putting that on that to make that. There we go. Right, let's get that done. So, not rocket science, this one. All we have is this with the piece that we've got today. This one. That goes on the inside there. We've got holes and screws. Not actually... He says it's very, very easy, but they must just line up with that. Like that. There we go. That goes together that way round, he says, frantically double checking to make sure that he's got it the right way round, and he hasn't. He's got it completely the opposite way round. It goes the other way up. So let's pop that back off of there. It goes on that way round. Doesn't actually fit together as well as it does the first. Go on there like that. That's very strange because that doesn't actually fit together nearly as well because that doesn't pop in. We've got the 4 posts on there. You just double check. Same pin, but it isn't. It's got a pin on these. So either I'm doing it wrong or it's doing it wrong because those pins will go through there like that. So should I in fact be using that bit? It's definitely showing the thinner side and then attaching the thicker side. Right, ultimately they're going to go together and this is going to be sticking one way or the other, but does it matter? This is then symmetrical. So I am going to use my instinct and ignore the instructions. I'm going to put that on there that way round because I feel that is a better fit. It actually locates onto there, and then this will go on there that way round. I can get those. They have to be lined up, and then that should go together like that. No, because there is a difference. There is a difference. This is the nicer outside bit, but I'm pretty sure that is, yeah, that is the right way round because that's the way we want it to be, to look like that. Let me just double check by looking at a wheel that we've already done. And yes, we've got the nice outside edge on the outside with that, but again, it's a different shape. It's a different wheel. Yeah, but it's got to be that. That's the edge. That's the outside, and that's the outside of the wheel hub. So it's definitely got to be that way round. It's just that it's deeper into the wheel, but it would be deeper into that wheel anyway, wouldn't it? It would. Yes, I'm just going to agree with myself now. I'm pretty sure that the distance in there is going to be about the same. So I'm going to go with it that way round. If it's wrong, I'll find out down the line and not be able to get the wheel back off of it. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that that is that. I shall get that pushed together a bit more securely. Well, to say securely, it's very secure, but it needs to be a little bit tighter. So I shall get that squashed back together. And then I think next time we're going to be fitting the wheel to it. So I'll double check before I do that bit to make sure it does look that way round. But I'm pretty sure that's that. So stick around for the next time, find out if I'm right. Other than that, leave a comment, let me know if you think I'm right, and we'll find out in a couple of days. So thanks for watching, stay safe, I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.